Hey, I'm Ninos. I'm one of the software engineers here at Autohive. If you've ever had to repeat the same set of instructions when prompting agents, this is going to save you a bunch of time. Let me show you. So I'm in my workspace and we're just going to ask one of the agents to make a quick PDF. So I'm going to say, please make me an example Autohive PDF. And we're going to send that off and just see what kind of document it produces. So it looks like it's just finished. Let's open that up and have a look at the PDF. It's produced what we asked for. It's an Autohive example PDF. I want you to get a good look at this. Now I'm going to head back to the workspace homepage and I'm going to show you running through this exact same scenario again. We'll stick with Claude here and I'll say, please make an example Autohive PDF. So just the same prompt as before. And we'll see what comes out this time. So the agent's just finished making that PDF. Let's open it up and have a look. So you can see same prompt, but different look. It's got different colors, it's got different fonts, and it's not quite tied to us. And across the team of members doing this, everyone will be producing something different, but nothing will be quite on brand. This is exactly what skills are for. Skills are sets of instructions that you create and set once, but apply to any agent in your workspace or plan. The difference between a skill and an agent is that an agent is the thing that does the work, and a skill is like the know-how behind that work and how to produce consistent results. Let me show you how to fix this. So we'll go to show more, and we'll click on the skills section over here. Typically, you'd create a skill by pushing this button in the top right over here, but I've already prepared something for us earlier, so I'll just jump in and I'll walk you through that before showing you an example of how it'll actually work. The name I've given this skill is Autohive Brand Kit. That's just so it's clear what contents the skill may have to both my team members and the agents using it. Most importantly, down here I've got the description. This indicates when the agent should use it based on the user's intent. If you read this description, it says, use the skill whenever you create, design, or style anything branded for Autohive. Further down, we've got the instructions. So once the agent actually decides to read this skill, it'll then have access to these instructions. So these define things like the colors I want to use, they have accents. It also has things like the typography, do's and don'ts, and it's got things like logos as well. So skills can also package assets, as you see we've got down here, which will include the logo, word marks, watermarks, things like that you'd like to include. I'm going to enable the skill. Great, so it's just enabled for all of my agents in this workspace now. I'm going to jump back into my dashboard. And we're going to ask Claude to do the same thing again. I'm going to say, please make an example Autohive PDF. We'll send that off and we'll see what it produces this time. Great, so the agent's actually recognized that I want an Autohive branded PDF, and it's going ahead and reading that skill now to produce just the PDF that I want. We'll get back here in a second and we'll see what it makes. You can see it's much more on brand now. It's got our brand color, it's got our logo in the right place, it's got the correct fonts. We can have a look at the next page too, and it's definitely branded like Autohive would be branded. And the best part is that you get this every time for everyone that's on the account. Same font, same style across the whole team. Open skills, build one for a job that you do every week, and let us know your feedback. We'd love to know what you make.